Snoring louder than your dog? It might be more serious than you think. Sleep apnea is a common sleep disorder where your breathing stops and starts while you snooze. The big clues? Loud snoring, gasping for air at night, and feeling super sleepy during the day. Left untreated, sleep apnea can lead to high blood pressure, heart problems, diabetes, and even depression. So how do you find out if you have it? Your doctor might ask about your sleep or suggest a sleep test, sometimes at home, sometimes in a clinic. But don't worry. Treatments can help, like using a CPAP mask to keep your airway open, losing weight, or sometimes surgery. If you think you might have sleep apnea, talk to your doctor. Getting help means better sleep and a healthier you.